Welcome to MiConvert. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert NC files to DAE format, completely free and online. Open your browser and search for NC Today MiConvert.com. Click on the first result to go directly to the converter. You're now on the NC to DAE converter page. The interface is clean and easy to use. Let's upload a file. Click the Choose File button. A file picker will open. Select the NC file you want to convert, then click Open. Your file is loaded and ready. You can see the file name, size, and target format. Click Convert now to start the conversion. The conversion is in progress. You can see the progress bar moving. This usually takes just a few seconds. Done. Your file has been converted successfully. Click Download to save the DAE file to your computer. That's it. Visit MiConvert.com for more free conversion tools. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.